Hi, my name is Akshay Dattatri Kale, Division B, roll number 22. Today understand the ASIP program to perform addition of two matrices, where rows or columns are inputs. First of all, include the header files. Here, hashtag include or hashtag include stdio.h or hashtag include conio.h header files are used. After header files, we use the main function. Here main function is void type. After main function, initialization of the variable in our program. Here integer type of variables. After initialization of the variables, we use a clr function. It is a standard function we helping for clear the output screen. After this printf function and scanf function we will use. Printf function helping for print the message on output screen, and scanf function will helping for accept element by user. So here rows or columns of matrix A and B are inputs by user. After this, if state if else use. So under if logical condition, here condition is r1 is equal to r2 and c1 is equal to c2. This logical condition will be true, then and then only if statement will be executed, means addition of two matrices are performed. Then this condition will be false, then else statement will be executed. So after these highlighted nested for loop will be helping for accepting element by user into matrix A. After this, again this nested for loop will use helping for accept element into matrix B by user. After enter the elements into matrix A and B to display and matrix B on output screen. So this this highlighted code will be displayed on matrix A and B on output screen. After the print the matrix on output screen, addition will be performed. So this nested for loop will be helping for addition to matrices. After addition, to resultant matrix display on output screen. So this nested for loop helping for display on output screen resultant matrix. This else statement executed when r1 is equal to r2 and c1 is equal to c2 will be false, then and then only else statement will be executed. This get function will be helping for output screen hold. So let's check addition of two matrices. So after run program, so here enter the rows of matrix A and rows or columns matrix A and B. So here consider 2 by 2 order. So again here consider 3 by 3 order matrix. Here, so after enter, please enter 9 elements into matrix A. So enter 9 elements matrix into matrix A. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Again please enter 9 elements into matrix B. So again 9 elements entered. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. After enter key, addition matrix will be displayed on output screen. So here matrix A, matrix B and addition of matrix will be display on output screen. Here matrix A is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Also matrix B are as same are as matrix A. So matrix B is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and addition matrix 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18. So our program is addition matrix is correct. So different rows and columns, then what happened, let's check. Here 3 2 2 3. So here rows or columns are different, so addition of two matrices is not possible. It is mathematically invalid. So our program is correct. Thank you.